Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Robinhood account. First, download the Robinhood app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and begin the sign-up process by entering your email address. Next, create a strong, unique password to protect your new account. Finally, you will need to verify both your email and phone number, which adds an important layer of security to your financial information. After the initial setup, Robinhood requires some personal details for regulatory compliance. You will need to provide your full legal name, your date of birth, and your social security number. Additionally, enter your current residential address and some basic employment information. To complete identity verification, you will be prompted to upload a clear photo of a government-issued identification document, like a driver's license or passport. This ensures your account is secure and compliant. Now it's time to fund your new Robinhood account so you can start investing. You will link your external bank account by providing your bank's routing number and your personal account number. Once linked, you can initiate your first deposit. You can start with as little as $1. While deposits are often instant for trading, the full amount typically settles and becomes available for withdrawal within 2 to 3 business days. With your account funded, you are ready to explore the world of investing on Robinhood. You can browse and invest in a wide range of assets, including individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, and even options. A great feature is fractional shares, allowing you to invest with any amount, even just a few dollars. Consider setting up recurring investments to consistently grow your portfolio over time, making your money work harder for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.